time to practice our vowel sounds again. I set up my cards. This time I just folded them in half so they're easier for you guys to see. You can just use a Post-it, you can use a piece of scrap paper, you can fold index cards like I did. That's what I just did. I just folded them in half and wrote my vowel on one side, and I just put them facing this way so you can see them. If you're doing it at home, you can do them facing you or put the letter on both sides so you can see it and hold it up to the screen also. Super easy. All right, so if we think about our vowels and their sounds, we know A says what? Ah, right? I think I heard you. A says ah. How about E? E says eh. I. What does I say again? Can you do the motion with it? I says eh. O says ah. Like you're going to the doctor. Ah. And then U says right? So I want you to listen to the words that I say. I want you to think about what vowel sound you hear. And then I'm going to wait a few seconds before I hold mine up to give you a chance to hold yours up. And then when I hold mine, you can check if you're correct, right? And I'm sure you will be. So let's think about this one. Hib. Hib. What vowel sound do you hear in the word hib? What do you think? I'm thinking this one. I says I. Ib. Right. You got it. How about this one? Cog. Og. What do you hear? What vowel sound do you hear in that one? I hear this one. Oh, no. Silly. O says ah. Og. Yep, you got it. I was just trying to trick you with this one. How about the word zeg? Zeg. Zeg. What do you think? What vowel sound do you hear in that one? Now I hear this guy. E says eh. Zeg. How about zan? Zan. Zan. What do you hear in that? Zan. A says ah. Did you get that one correct? Zan. How about sup? Sup. What do you hear? What vowel sound do you hear in up? Sup. I made it a little easier there for you. What do you think? How about this one? U says ah. You got it. All right, let's try zan. Oh, we did that one already. How about lat? Lat. What do you hear in that one? Lat. Oh, A says ah. I heard that in there. How about this one? Rom. Rom. What do you hear? I hear O. O says ah. How about fid? Fid. What do you think of that one? Fid. These are all nonsense words, so I hear this. I says in fid. How about dut? Dut. What do you hear in that one? Dut. Let's see. I hear this. U says ah. How about chap? Chap. What do you hear in that one? Oh, I got it. Do you have it? I hear this one. A says ah. All right, one more. Let's think about hob. Hob. What do you hear? O says ah. You got it. All right, keep practicing your vowel sounds. Keep thinking about the sounds you hear in the words. Keep practicing your reading. I'll see you soon.